Today, a father will make it home in time to read his daughter a bedtime story. A young couple will celebrate the beginning of their new life together. And new grandparents are going to meet the next generation of their family for the first time. London Heathrow is the world's busiest international airport. Each year, over 65 million people fly through this dynamic travel hub that is owned and operated by BAA. Delivering an exceptional passenger experience means Heathrow's 75,000 employees must manage a tangled web of complexities, often unseen by the traveling public.
There is tremendous complexity because there are so many different operators, but in the end we all contribute to one passenger journey. So passengers shouldn't have to worry whether it's the airline who's responsible for this or an immigration service who's responsible for that. It should simply be they bought a ticket, it's a great experience.
With our runways running up to 98% of capacity, there's no room for error.
So when this flight to Cairo, Egypt experiences a mechanical delay and must return to the gate, the ground, tower, and airline staff must collaborate effectively and efficiently to minimize the disruption.
Once we're into delay, getting ourselves out of delay can be a real challenge.
Historically at airports, there was no shared view of the process.
For good passenger service, we have to have good collaboration.
The Collaborative Decision-Making Initiative, or CDM, was developed by Eurocontrol, the intergovernmental organization that manages European airspace. CDM enables airlines, ground handlers, airport management, and air traffic control to effectively share information.
CDM is a means of bringing all the information together for all the people to use consistently and coherently.
CDM to me means the fact that we link the ground process to the process in the air.
Collaborative decision making is without doubt going to be the future for Heathrow.
Heathrow uses Pega's software as the backbone of CDM. It automates key airport processes using rules specialized to each circumstance. When human judgment is required, Pega intelligently routes work to enable collaborative decision-making.
We actually wanted a tool that incorporated, process management, a rules engine, and dynamic case management. And we needed a tool set which could reflect the real-time operation of an airport.
Hiya, they're still waiting for a wheelchair passenger.
CDM has had an immediate impact on airport operations and the passenger experience.
Since we've put CDM in now, our on-time departure rate's gone up from an average of around 68% now to about 85%.
With CDM we get accurate and consistent information, allowing us the ability to deliver the correct amount of resource in the right place at the right time.
CDM and the data that it provides will enable us to give a better experience to our passengers.
So when a disruption occurs, like on our flight to Cairo, teams at Heathrow can use CDM to share up-to-date information and respond appropriately. As a result, Heathrow pays fewer penalties, has reduced their environmental impact, and can schedule and use their resources more efficiently.
We'll be able to manage dynamic situations which we've never been able to manage before.
We will be able to offer a more refined service delivery, but then also seamlessly integrating ourselves into the network, both European and beyond.
We know real time, accurately, what's happening. That way everyone can play their part coherently, consistently, deliver a good service to the passenger.
With CDM, Heathrow is better positioned to help their passengers get to where they want to be. Whether it's getting home to enjoy the small but important moments in everyday life, embarking on exciting new adventures, or marking important milestones, Pega is helping Heathrow make every journey better. Our world is constantly changing. Only Pega lets you build for change. Pega, the software for customer centricity.